Happy Halloween! Let's make a science experiment. This time we are making fluffy pumpkin slime. There will be a list of ingredients and measurements at the end of the video, but here is a quick look. Our monster friend is filling his cart with a few things we will need. Baking soda, contact lens solution, the kind with boric acid in it. Also white glue, along with red and yellow food coloring. There's a few more things you'll need. Grab a large mixing bowl. It doesn't have to have a panda on it though. A spoon, and I almost forgot shaving cream. Don't worry, we aren't really going to shave with it. Dispense about 3 cups of the shaving cream into your mixing bowl. You can measure it out, but I just estimated. Drop in some yellow food coloring. I know it looks orange, but this is a good thing. Now drop in a little less red food coloring. And mix it together. Look, it's orange like a pumpkin. So no real pumpkins are used to make this slime. Pour in a half a cup of white glue. Mix some more. Time for a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Stir again. Yes, we are really using contact lens solution. Put in 1 tablespoon. Stir again. Wow, the texture is really changing. We've made a chemical reaction between the glue and a combination of the contact lens solution and the baking soda. Now the slime is stretchy and holds together like a solid rather than the liquid it was. The shaving cream is a foam which adds air into our mixture, making it fluffy slime. Here's that recipe, and I hope you have a great Halloween.